I recently made a video talking about how to invest in stocks for teenagers, and so many of you guys commented on that video asking me to talk more about the business of day trading. Although I don't recommend this as the primary place to put your money as a teenager, especially if you have the power of compound interest on your side, day trading is definitely the most aggressive yet risky way to grow a stock market portfolio. With that in mind, over the next few days, I am going to spit as much knowledge as I possibly can from my experience day trading, and you already know throughout this video it would only be right if I do some day trading myself with roughly $5,000 in cash across a few different accounts. The first thing you want to get right out of the way when you're day trading as a teenager is setting up a stock market brokerage account. This can be kind of difficult, especially if you're under the age of 18 years old, because a lot of times you're gonna need the help of your parents. What I recommend a lot of you guys look into is setting up a custodial brokerage account with the platform TD Ameritrade, which I will have linked down below in the description. The reason I am recommending this platform over a lot of other brokerages is they're known to have great charts for day trading, and honestly, if you're getting into day trading, you're gonna need that. For those of you wondering, a custodial account is basically an account that has dual ownership between you and your parents. While you're a minor, your parents technically have control over it, but the day you turn 18, you can convert that custodial account into a regular stock market account where you're the only owner. Another thing you can do if you want to get into day trading as a minor is you can open an account on Robinhood or WeBull using your parents' information and their permission, of course. Then you'll be able to trade on the account as if it's your own. This would be an ideal situation, but I know many parents may not feel comfortable with this due to the tax implications involved. So for example, if you make a certain amount of profit day trading in a year, your parents will be responsible for those taxes since the account is in their name, even though you technically made the money. So to cover the tax bill, you'd have to pay your parents the money of the taxes owed so that they can cover the bill. In the case that you guys decide to use either Robinhood or WeBull though, I will have both of those brokerages linked down below with affiliate links. With Robinhood, I believe you get 1 free stock, and with WeBull, I believe you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850, so not a bad deal whatsoever. Now that you guys know how to set up a trading account, how about we do a real quick live trade just so you guys can see how this stuff actually works. Good morning, guys. I just bought some 650 calls on Tesla to start the morning. We're currently down about 5.8% on the position. I'm honestly not really worried since Friday options move super quick, and it's actually a Friday when I'm filming this. The reason I bought into these calls is I wanted to get in for a quick scalp. I got this trade idea from a Discord chat I'm in. As you guys can see, I'm literally down 20% at the time I'm filming this right here, but don't worry, the call options move so fast, so maybe in like 2 or 3 minutes, I'll be up big. Yeah, that didn't end up happening. My options position continued to fall through the floor from 20% in the red, then 40% in the red, and literally 1 minute after that, I was down 90% on the trade. That was definitely rough. We took a solid $200 loss on that Tesla call. Not what I was hoping to show you guys, but it's truly the reality of day trading. Over the past 7 months that I've been involved in this business model, I've had some decent success, probably earning a total of about $1,000, but even with that, I still have unprofitable trades and only win about 55 to 60% of the time. Anyone claiming to be right on trades 100% of the time is definitely full of crap, especially if you're first getting started with trading. You gotta be ready to take those L's. All you can do is have proper risk management with every single trade you get into, risking only 1 to 5% of your account. Try to take lessons and learn from the times you do take L's on trades. And finally, me personally, I like to take profits pretty quickly at roughly 20 to 30% in the green, and I also don't like to over leverage on trades that I'm down on, meaning I very rarely average down. The next thing I want to get into in this video is different day trading strategies and how to actually learn how to trade. For me personally, I am practicing this method of day trading known as scalping, which is basically where you look at the chart for a stock, buy into some options, and then profit from small changes in the stock's price, either up or down. To learn about this way of trading, I've been watching free YouTube courses about scalping. I've also joined my friend Z1 Trades Discord chat where he breaks down a bunch of trades every single day, and lately I've just kind of been going through his stock trading Discord, looking at some of his trade ideas, try to analyze analyze them myself, and if I can understand the trades, I'll get into them and try to make some money. I know, guys, this technically doesn't count as trading by yourself, but honestly, in the beginning of your trading journey, as long as you're learning something new every single day, that's all that matters. I'm sure eventually I'll feel comfortable trading all by myself, and to be honest, guys, I have tried it with not as much success as I have had using the stock trading Discord. To be honest though, I've probably learned a lot more valuable lessons when I've done the few trades by myself, because I find the trading idea all by myself, and I even decide when to cut losses or take profits. From what I have noticed so far, no one person has the same exact trading strategy. This is something you master over many years, meaning in the beginning with your trades, you probably won't be making a whole lot of money on average, but then over time you'll start breaking even, and then with even more time you'll start profiting, which is the ultimate goal, of course. So far in this video, we've talked strictly about trading stocks or trading options, but the truth is people do a lot more than just that. You can get into Forex trading, which I actually do have some experience with. You can get into trading cryptocurrencies, which has gotten huge recently. And finally, I've even seen people trade oil futures. When you get into that stuff, my head kind of starts to hurt a little bit, so I haven't messed with that quite yet. On the topic of Forex trading, I'm currently doing a YouTube video series where I try HFX trading or high frequency Forex for 72 hours, 14 days, and even 30 days. So far, I'm about 19 days into this whole challenge, sitting at a little over $360 in profit. Not bad, baby, but you have to take into account I'm paying $175 per month for the sketchy program I'm learning from. And number two, I also put $500 on a single HFX trade as a joke and won. I just got into a 3-minute put option on USD JPY. As you guys can see, I got $500 in the balance. If we win the trade, we get $300 profit. Uh-oh, guys, I'm honestly kind of nervous. We're in profits right now. I have a little bit less than 20 seconds left. Let's go. 2 more seconds. Let's get it. $500 all on one trade, 300 profit. Got super lucky on that trade, made like $300 profit, and on that note, I thought it would be fun today to show you guys a walkthrough of what it's like HFX trading, so you guys can see how much money I make, and also if you maybe want to try it out for yourselves. I am officially on the first 8 a.m. trading session of the day, and basically how this works is on every single live trading session, you have an instructor, they call out a bunch of different trades, and you have the option to go into the trade if it fits your strategy and hopes you make money. The first opportunity should be presenting itself very shortly, and as soon as it does, I'll let you guys know. For the first trade of the day, I just got into a put option on the Euro-Canadian pair. We're currently up right now since I entered at a price of 563. It's currently below that. If it finishes below here in the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna make $15.50 profit. If not, I lose 25 bucks, so hopefully we win. We're currently up on the trade with about 10 seconds left. We're up, baby. We're in deep profits right now. Let's see how it closes. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's get it. Boom! That's a nice victory right there. After catching a quick bag on that trade, the session continued with one more final profitable trade before ending. So for the first Forex session of the day, definitely not bad. Made about $30 profit in a single hour, so never gonna complain about something like that. So guys, I still have 2 more sessions for the rest of the day, and hopefully we can make even more money. After doing pretty good on that first session, I am now on the second session of the day and just got into the first trade. As you guys can see, I'm trading Euro GBP. I did a put option for 5 minutes and we're currently in the profit zone once again. If I make a win on this trade, $13.20 profit, so not bad whatsoever. As you guys can see, I just took a dub on that trade, $13.20 profit, and now I'm about to do another trade on AUD USD. Let's get it. The rest of the trades after that continued pretty subpar, mixed evenly between wins and losses. Overall for the day, we went 4 and 2, making a profit of $21.40. Not bad, more than you can make working at McDonald's, and I did that sitting on my couch. Ultimately, guys, day trading is a long-term game, and I'm not going to sit here and tell you a strategy to make money 100% of the time. I'm also pretty happy I didn't get too much into specific day trading strategies in this video because I'm still pretty new at this, just like a lot of you guys, and although I have a ton of value to bring in terms of how to learn day trading or how to get started as a teenager, I haven't been doing this for years, and I haven't turned 1,000 into 100 grand like a lot of other people out there. As I said earlier in this video, I only recommend doing day day trading with a very small percentage of your overall portfolio. And if you guys want to learn about how to do general stock market investing as a teenager, please be sure to click this video right on the screen. On that note, I will see you all in the next one. I appreciate every single one of you, and get those free stocks down below before you go. Peace out.